Hello, welcome to Room 3's Assembly. Today we're going to be exploring Article 3. Adults must do what is best for me. All adults should do what is best for me. When adults make decisions, they should think about how they affect me. At Oscott Manor, adults always think about your best interests when making choices which affect you. Let's think about our school rules. Ready.
Oscott Manor, we ensure you are provided with the skills, opportunities and experiences to be ready for adulthood.
Respectful.
We respect your views, opinions and allow you to have choices. We give you choices in your own learning journey.
Safe.
We provide a safe environment for you to learn and succeed. We make sure you're protected and cared for.
When making choices which affect you, it is important for adults to listen to your wishes and feelings. This means we can do what is best for you. This is our top priority. It is important for you to share your thoughts, have a voice, and share your wishes and feelings.
Have a voice. Children should be listened to.
Let's think about how you can share these with others. You can do some drawing, talking, writing, communicating and showing others. There are lots of people who you can talk to. Talking to someone is important. You can talk to your teachers, friends, staff at school, family and your key worker. Now, remember, Article 3 is all about adults should do what is best for me. We also want you to think about what is best for you. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Be the best you can be.